Kala ko 4. Ayun. Papasok na po ata kami.
Wow, bait! Biglang bait! Ayun!
For the first time, mag-ingay!
Pwede po ba kaming mayabang at malaman? Mag-ingay po kapag napanood nyo na kami sa social media!
So for those watching us live for the first time, ibang-iba po ang experience ng live performance kaysa sa social media dahil malamang kapag nanonood kayo sa social media, mag-isa lang kayong tumatawa. Tama po ba?
Yes! And ito kayo, ang improv, the performance.
Yung show namin, kasalanan nyo yun.
Yes! Accountability.
Yes. So paano po kami mag-audience participation? All we're going to do is we're going to ask questions and you have to shout the first thing that comes to mind. So halimbawa, ang una kong
Showdown.
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 Napkin.
Ayun na. Tamang-tama galing daw sa conversation. Kating ko.
Katiko.
Inhaler.
Isa!
Yes, perfect. Bilang isang team, maglalaro po tayo ng isang game. Ang mechanics po ng game, magbibigay po kami ng isang category and all you have to do Burger! Alright. So, okay.
But of course, we will not be asking that
We'll not be
because
asking that.
tamang-tama, tayo ay
We are approaching the holidays.
Day
Yes.
double back.
Double back. Letter E. Dog food.
E.
X. Earphones. Earrings. Electric fan.
Yan yung mga isinigaw ninyo. But first, let's hear the chorus.
Kaya ko ng BYD, bumili ako ng alak para sa aming handa. Sa December 24, 25 na
How about you? How about you, Aaron?
Hi, Jowa and me, okay naman kami so far. Kaya for Christmas, inisip kong bilhan siya ng isang guitar. Sabi niya sa akin, maybe I will get you a gaming console. Pero kinagat ako ng lamok, kaya binili niya ako ng katol.
Miss Monica.
You know this thing that really, really turns me on.
What?
Kapag merong nag-aya sa akin, pumunta ng Watson. Kaya pagkatapos ninyo humalakhak, sabay-sabay tayong bibili ng ano? Ng iba.
Boy?
That is with Tagi Pusuon.
Tawagan mo si Mama at si Mama mismo nag-e-expect ng washing machine.
Ay.
Pinapagalitan ako na ate dahil wala daw akong washing machine.
You.
Ulul ka pa din.
Alam mo namang gusto ng ate mong manalo, competitive yan.
S.
Saan yung washing machine ko?
O. Uyu. You.
Uuwi na ba si Mama?
O.
Uwi na ako.
N.
Nandito na ako. just can't.
You know this thorny plant? It's a succulent.
Think that's lateral is outside of what's central.
Outside of line that is horizontal. You see it with a visual. The first two syllables of this is a delicious chicken.
It's your parade. Good evening, Bacolod. Happy day. Ako si Binibini Mary Melvin Tagasa.
Ayan, nandito po si Madam para sagutin ang...
Next na CEO.
Ayun, yun pala yung criteria sa pagiging CEO. Galingan ng sayaw. Yes, pa.
Lian.
Energy has been so good for us. Kaya ganito yung show namin. Like we said, 50 of business